All right, Bubba, where we at?
Sure. We're at Nemesis Motorsport, guys.
Nemesis Motorsport. Where are you located?
We're off of 45 and College Avenue. The address is 1312 College Avenue. But we work on Fords, GM, and Dodge vehicles, diesels as well, but mainly just domestic.
There you go.
I'm the tuner. My partner's Ricardo. He's over there working on the truck.
Nemesis Motorsports.
What we doing today, Rod?
Today's the day, bro. We're gonna go get some fuel para la 94, the LS swap. We're gonna get two 5-gallon jugs so we can fill it up, start it. Bro, back up, bro, back up. On the LS swap, all the suspension parts, what are all the suspension parts that you replaced?
Upper, lower control arms, steering, links, the tie rods, outer and inner tie rods. So we're gonna do that today, so we can actually drop it and move it out, and then start it up with the gas that we're about to go get, and then we'll record once we have it out there ready to start for the first time ever. Yes, sir, getting that gas. Yes, sir, we're getting it right now.
Doing some little touches. But we're doing a bit of electrical. Right before we start the truck up. We got the gas. We just gotta fill it up.
Okay.
Alan didn't want to start it. Nah, he didn't want to start the video. What happened, Alan? What happened?
I'm a little sad.
Why? What happened?
Because ya me acabé la agüita de piña.
Is this a pay promotion?
All right, we're about to put gas on this machine right now. We're getting it ready. You're gonna witness the first startup ever in the history of this shop.
First startup.
Put a belt. All right, so we got the gas. We got a little bit more than 10 gallons.
All right, come on, let's
maybe less.
Come on, we're wasting time. No. You got it or you need help?
Yeah, I got it. I'm doing this one. Staying 5 gallons. Then Rod's gonna do the other one.
So Bubba's over there putting gas. The F-150 is put back together. New shackle bushings. Can't see them. 2 new bed bolts. There we go. The other ones are the original ones. New third brake light. We're waiting on the LED dome light so we can put that back together. Bubba's over here finishing putting gas. Boy said Rod walked away so he don't have to do it. What happened?
No, it's good.
What you do?
It was like a little warm, a little gas warm.
A gas worm?
Yeah.
Have y'all heard of that? A gas worm? Is that a real thing?
Yeah.
You lying.
They usually come from the earth. Deep in the dirt, in the oven.
Say it again.
Deep. Deep, not close. Yeah, cause usually you find them.
Oh, you're there. That's a real thing.
Yeah, like you gotta be careful because they like to drink the gas.
Bro, you lying.
Bro.
All right, ahorita I'm gonna look it up.
Would I be holding a 5-gallon gas can if I was lying? No. All right, so now we got Rod right here. Let us know who do y'all think has the best way of filling up the tank.
Are we doing it by time or?
No, we're just doing it like your own technique. What's your technique? How do you hold it up?
Like, what are you grading it on though?
On
Speed.
How you pick it up and how you put it in. Let us know.
You want to redo it? You want to redo
Nah,
yours?
I'm good. I'm good.
All right, you ready?
All right.
Can I redo it?
All right, redo it. I'll give you another chance.
I'm gonna be more gentle, but no spilling, just clean
this
time.
I'm ready. I think that was the same way, bro. Hey, Rob, what you doing?
Hey, bro. Nothing, bro.
What you doing, man? What you doing?
Nothing.
Dude, what we're about to do? Let us know.
We're about to start this truck up. We're gonna scan it first. Remember we told you we're gonna scan it.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir.
I don't even know if I heard the pump. I just hope everything's. It's a pump connector. Yeah, it's connected. Well, with the scanner, we can activate the pump too.
Yeah.
Or we can see if there's any codes for the gas pump. You connected everything there?
Yeah, like those.
Okay. The connectors, right?
Yeah.
There was one for the pump. Let me check. Let me just check.
Go check. Échale grasa.
See if it scans good. Some stuff is gonna be like the evap, but all that stuff got or is getting deleted. Still needs to get tuned for that. You think it'll start up, Alan?
Oh yeah. For sure.
You nervous?
Nah. I'm not nervous.
The battery. You showed them where we put the battery?
I'm not nervous. I'm excited.
Okay.
I can put the continuity.
I didn't hear the pump whenever I cycled the key. Look, showing the lost communication with body control module. There's no BCM. Fuel level sensor, high voltage. That's normal because it's not using the 2008 Chevrolet Express fuel pump. Fuel tank pressure sensor circuit, low voltage. We're not using that either. Lost communication with electronic control module. Lost communication with body control module. That's the transmission control module. So we're good. So let's cycle the key.
Cycle it to see if we can prime the pump.
Yeah.
And then also we'll see if we smell gas.
Alan, you wanna move the key forward? I wanna see if I hear the pump. Yeah, it's working. It'll start. So that means. You recording?
Yeah. What does that mean?
We installed new fuel lines, everything.
Yeah.
So while you're priming it, let's go down there. I don't know if you want to record to see if there's any leaks. Because I can hear the pump, so it is working.
Yeah. Let me look at the lines first, and then we'll go back. We'll come back and turn it on.
Okay.
Yeah, because I can look better.
Okay. All right. So y'all heard that. Oh, we got an issue. Fuel leak. That's the only leak we got, though. Good thing we didn't start it up, because that would have been real bad. But the rest of the lines, nothing to leak, so we're gonna fix it up and then we're gonna get back.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look at this, bro. Look at this, guys. Come on. Who's in charge of this?
Era el que recogimos
de Home Depot? Okay, yeah. Well, Wayne, something like that, right? Right, like Wayne. It wasn't us, guys.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't us. If it was us, guys, we would have took the blame for it. Why are you laughing, bro? Who's in charge? If there's an electrical issue, that's me, guys. That's me. Okay.
All right. No nos regañó.
Okay.
But we got it.
So, Alan, you wanna turn the key, and I'm gonna show them to see if it keeps leaking. Stop it! I got you. I got him. It's good now. It's good. Do it a few times.
I can tell you, si quema.
Let's hope they laugh about our jokes, bro. Do it again, one more time. We're good. I think the system's prime, bro. Okay. Y'all want? All right. You know what? We're gonna let Alan do the first startup, like 10 seconds, just to check everything, and then we'll do a longer one. Cause they don't look. Y'all can see it doesn't have nothing. It's got oil and everything, but the cooler and everything, we don't want to run it too much. So we're gonna do 10 seconds, check everything for leaks. And if not, we can, like, if there's no leaks, we'll do like a 30-second. I don't want to run it too much with no coolant. All right, so.
1, 2, 3.
Y'all saw the first startup ever.
Ya rugiste, Leon.
Los mecánicos.
Hey, let us know what you think.
We still gotta put the whole front end. Mira, para atrás. You guys saw the first startup. We're gonna recheck everything, electrical, fuel lines, everything. Make sure there's no leaks. Houston, we have a problem. We're leaking also by the fuel filter.
Okay, guys.
No, like we were talking about this behind camera, but look, the leaks that we were having were right here, not here. If you use these lines, Evil Energy, and they start leaking from here, that's something like that you, well, anything that's leaking.
Yeah, anything that's leaking is on you because you gotta just tighten it.
But here it's like more as in like when you're building the
hoses, the
fittings, the hoses. Yeah. And here it's not so much. It's not too bad because all you have to do is tighten it and it stops leaking. Yeah, but the leak that we were having was right here. Yeah, we just did a few more turns and it stopped leaking. You gotta tighten it. But what we like is that the fittings, like the hoses that we made and stuff, they're not leaking from the main. No, not where you make the.
Where you crump them together, like cramp. Yeah. The hose with the ¿cómo se llama esto?
Fitting.
With the little fitting, yeah. Pero it was good. Yeah. All right. Weekend, so we want some live music while we work. Yeah.